We are going to start, and I'm going to show you how to make all of these felt succulents. I've got a bunch of different designs here, and each of them are really easy to make. You just have to know the different patterns. There are patterns that you can go online and print out, but I find that it's actually really easy just to make your own. So I'm going to show you how to make your own felt succulents without any printed pattern. You are going to need some felt sheets, and these are pretty inexpensive at Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Walmart. You can get a whole bunch of different kinds. I'm going to first go ahead and start with this little guy. I think he's very cute. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to start by making some circles in your felt. I've got my felt sheet here, and I'm going to go ahead and make probably about an 1 or 2 inch circle. These circles don't have to be perfect. There's a lot of room for flexibility in this pattern. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut 6 of these circles. Now that I've got my 6 circles, what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and make the edges just a little jagged. I'm going to go ahead and cut little triangles on these edges. So now that I've got all of these cut, we're going to go ahead and get our hot glue gun out. What we're going to do to put these together is we're actually going to glue them in half. So I'm going to put a line of glue, fold it in half and squish it down. Make sure you're careful that the glue doesn't come through and burn you. And we're going to do this to all 6 of our succulent circles. All right, once we've got them all folded in half, we're actually going to go ahead and fold them again. So it's going to be in quarters. Here we go. Now that we've got that done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a small scrap and I'm going to just do a very small circle, and this will help kind of keep everything together as we glue it to form our succulent. It doesn't have to be perfect. There we go. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by gluing on 1/4 like that. All right. And I'm going to go ahead and glue another one across from there. And I'm just going to fill in all 4 of these corners. All right, so now we have the base of our succulent, and that's kind of what it looks like. Can poof these up a little bit. And now what we're going to do is we're going to put these two together. Spread that out. And then you can glue it on directly like that. I'm actually going to cut off a little bit at the end so that it lays flat. The glue isn't super hard, so you should be fine to do that. All right, and now I'm going to go ahead, put some glue in the middle here, and glue my top piece on. Poof out all of these. Let it dry. And here you go. You have a cute little succulent. Here was my original one. I made a little bit bigger, but the same concept. You can make it however big you'd like or small you'd like, just by the size of your circles.